Hi everyone, welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. So we are going to start a real-time project training. Okay, what do you mean by real-time project? So you already learned a ccna and Juniper and Palo Alto, right? So people who are working in non-technical as well as in technical, both. So I'm going to give a real-time project. In this real-time project, so I will explain you the enterprise architecture or whatever it is, service provider architecture or enterprise architecture based on your working environment. If you are working in technical side, right? So I will interact with you. I'll check which architecture you're working on, so that I will prepare a complex scenarios and all, and I will give it to you. For non-technical people, right, I will give you enterprise project. So now you can see, right? So this is an enterprise project, simple enterprise project. Okay, like this, there are a lot of devices are involved. So this board is very small, right? So that's why I kept only few devices. So the thing is, I will explain you the enterprise project, whatever the projects, right? So initially in this project, there are few things, three things main. One is hardware level issues. Okay, so okay, I'll tell you here. So one is hardware level issues. How to troubleshoot hardware level issues? So once you get the device, once you identify the device is failed, right? Which team you need to interact, how you process the RMA, how to contact to the vendor, how to upload the logs to the vendor ticket. So I will explain each and everything. Hardware issues and troubleshooting, how to coordinate with the field team, how to resolve the layer 1 issues, SFP issues, line card issues, power supply issues, fan tray and everything. How to isolate the issues, what kind of scenarios you will face, like in case the SFP port is down and whatever the services are connected to that port, right? So all the services are down, it's a huge impact. How to recover in that situation? Okay, so I will explain you the scenarios as well. And coming to the protocol issues, so so in case if any BGP protocol down or BGP protocol neighborship flapping issues, link flapping issues and OSPF issues and different scenarios. So you may see the P1 P2 tickets. Okay, so there is impact tickets, how to resolve those tickets, like how to interact. If you receive any P1 ticket, first what you need to do, so which team you need to interact. There is an incident team, everyone is pushing you for resolution. So how you interact with them. In case if the resolution is not concluded by you, which team you need to escalate. Okay, all these things will explain in in this real time project. One is hardware level issues and protocol level issues, and the third one is bugs. So in the big organizations, you will see the bugs, like there are 30,000 devices, 40,000 devices. So if you configure any protocol which is not working as expected, right, that is called bugs. You need to interact with vendor. So you need to create a ticket with vendor and you need to tell them what is the exact issue. You need to provide the logs, they will replicate in their lab. So yeah, this kind of things I'll explain. So these are the technical things: hardware level issues, protocol level issues and bugs. And the next one is ticketing tools. So which ticketing tool you are using? I am giving you training on ticketing tool like Jira SD, ServiceNow, okay, BMC Remedy. There are a lot of ticketing tools. Okay, so I will give you training on ticketing tools as well. And after that, monitoring tools, which is very important. So there are a lot of SNMP based monitoring tools. Okay, so Cisco Prime, there are a lot of SNMP based monitoring tools. I will give you training on these training tools. Okay, so in this project, in this real time project training, I will cover the real time issues, how you troubleshoot. Okay, in monitoring tool and ticketing tool, you will get P1 P2 tickets, 772 tickets, how to handle those tickets. Okay, so I will give you training on ticketing tools, I will give you training on monitoring tools, I will give you training on all the technical issues. Okay, so the different scenarios. The class duration is 1 hour per day, maximum 1 week. I'll take 1 week to finish it. Okay, so this real time project training will conduct from next couple of days. I will announce the dates. May contact my team for the timings and all, so that we can proceed it accordingly. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. And one more thing, the prices, right? The prices and the fees, everything my team will be assist you. And the major thing is, there is a Ramjan and Ugadi festival is going on now. There will be an offer to you guys, so you can contact to my team for offers and all. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. And whoever is interested, right, please enroll it. Thank you so much.